Varis, do you think what this is?
Yeah.
What is this? It's a moon. And what is that? So, have you ever heard a story about a rocket?
Yeah.
You heard a story about a rocket? And do you know? And what this?
Cat.
It's a cat?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard a story where a cat went on a trip, on a rocket trip?
Yeah.
Okay, let's read it today. See, this is our robot, this is our cat, and this is our rocket, and it's where the rocket flies. Okay? And are you ready to go on a trip with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wear this helmet. Are you ready to go on a trip? Okay, let's start. See, this rocket is flying, and Space Cat took off in his rocket. He was flying home on Earth. The rocket was flying in this rocket because he wanted to go on his home, and his home is on Earth. Do you know where do we live?
Yeah.
Where do we live? Can you answer me? We live in Earth. We are also living on the same planet where Earth is about to fly and land and go home. Okay? Let's see what happened next. And suddenly the cat, can you hold the cat for me? Okay. Suddenly this cat felt hungry and the cat said, I want to eat something. And our robot said, I know how to make noodles. Can I make some for you? What the cat said? Cat says, he said, I don't like noodles because last time when you made them, those were like tasted like glue. Ew. Have you ever eaten the noodles? No? You know when the robot made the noodles, those were tasted like glue. And do you know about glue? You know about what is glue? We use that glue to stick the things together. And when the robot made the noodles, those were tasted like those glue. Can anyone eat the glue? No, we can't eat the glue, right? Let's see what happened next. You don't know how to cook. This cat said to robot, you don't know how to cook. How can I ask you to make noodles for me? The last time he told him, when you last time made the noodles, those were like glue. And suddenly there was a crash. And there was a rock that rocket got into the touch and the rocket rocked. And let's see what happened. What was that? Asked the Space Cat. The Space Cat asked to the robot, what was that? Then robot explained him. He said it was a space rock. These kind of tiny rocks, when rocket was flying so high and the rock got in touch with the rocket and it hit our rocket and made a hole in the fuel tank. See, this is a rocket and there is a hole in that, in our rocket. See, this is our, see, there is a hole because one of the rock hit it and made a hole. The robot explained it. We will run out of fuel soon. He was so worried and he told the robot that, he told the cat that we will run out of the fuel very soon. Let's see what happened next. See, I see a planet ahead, as Space Cat said. We can land there to fix our rocket. And Space Cat, see a planet. See, this is our sky. When the sky, the rocket was flying up there, then the Space Cat saw one of the planets. See, there are so many planets. 1, 2, 3. Can you count for me? How many planets can you see up there? These round ones are planets. These stars are not the planets. These are stars and these round ones are the planets. Okay, now can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 planets. planet. And what happened next? The space cat landed safely. The space cat landed their rocket safely on a different planet, on a planet that they just saw. Let's see what happened next. He said, I'll go out and look for some fuel. The space cat said that. And you know what the robot said? He said, I will fix the fuel tank and I will make some dinner for us. And the space cat said, you don't know how to make the food. You know why the cat said that? Why? Why said that? You know why? The cat said to robot, you don't know how to make the food because you remember when the robot made the noodles, they were tasted like glue. That's why. Okay, that's why cat said you don't know how to make it. Let's see what happened next. See, our space cat walked outside. He saw a big city ahead. See, when our space cat landed on that planet and he saw a big city ahead, right? And that is of green color. And the space cat was walking there and he saw so many different strange creatures. Can you see different creatures here? Can you point out for me how many creatures can you see?
1, 2,
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7, 8, 9.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4 strange creatures. Did you imagine when you said there were 9 creatures?
Yeah.
Did you imagine them?
Yeah.
Okay. See, the space cat went to those creatures and asked, can I have some fuel? Then these creatures said, no, we can't give you fuel because we don't have it. Only our king have a fuel. And then they pointed out on a castle and they said, our king lives in that castle. You can go and ask the king.
Yeah.
Okay, then what happened? The cat went to that castle and there was a guard standing outside the castle. The cat said to the guard, I want to meet your king. And the guard asked, why you wanted to meet my king? He said, I wanted to talk about something. Then he took the cat into the castle and there was a king of this green planet. See, how does the king look? The king has 3 eyes and a big smile on his face. Do you like? Is this scary?
Yeah.
Is this scary? No? Are you not scared of this one? Okay. See, the cat asked, can I have some fuel? I want to go back to my home. And this king said, no, I can't give you the fuel. Can you hold the cat for me? Let's have a talk, as I am the king of this planet and you are a cat. See, this cat is asking, can I have some fuel? Can you ask for me as a cat? Can you ask? See, meow, meow, meow. And this scary king said, no, I can't give you because my whole planet runs on the fuel. If I give you some fuel, how can my planet survive? See? Then cat.
Wish you had a professional business address and phone number instead of your home address and personal number.
The cat that, see, I also have a very beautiful planet here. You can stay here. Let's have a walk. Then they both are walking in the city and he was showing him around. Then he took him into the machine, in their machine. See, in this machine, he was showing him, see, there are some fuel in here and this is our like whole machines. It gives us electricity and water and food. Then suddenly there was again a sound, a big sound like a cracker, and it broke down. This machine broke down, and the king became angry or become sad. See, when they were talking to each other, then the cat's robot come and are you scared? Yeah. See, when it stopped and it told the cat that I have made some noodles. You want to try some? See, we have the noodles over there. Can you bring some for me? That one? Can you bring that for me? The blue one? Yeah. See, this robot give these noodles to cat and said, I have made some noodles. Do you want to try some? See what the cat said. Cat take the noodles and throw it on the machine. You know what happened next? And the machine got fixed. Oh wow! Now the king is so happy and he is thanking to the cat. He's saying thank you so much and he's doing his head. See? And he said, what can I do for you? He said, I need some fuel if you can give me so I can go back to my home. You know what happened next? The king put some fuel on the same container where he brought the noodles. He gave him some fuel and he also gave him a beautiful present to the cat so the cat can bring that to her home. So they both went to the, where is our rocket? Can you point the rocket? Where is our rocket? See, they both went to the rocket. They fixed their rocket and they put some fuel in here. See, and the rocket and the car and the cat sit here. And see, they were all again started flying. They have this thing bag and he has a gift from this planet. Then the cat and then the robot said, I am going to make something else for you. What do you want to eat? Then he said, and the cat said, oh no, because the journey is about to be so long. You know why? Because the robot doesn't know how to cook. He will make the same noodles again. Those will be tasted like glue. That's all in our story. See? What happened? It's going to be a long trip home, said the space cat. Why? Because when the robot went to the kitchen again, there was kind of a smoke coming out of the kitchen. You know why? He probably burned some food. What do you think what will happen? Noodles? Yeah. You think he will make it? No, he will not be able to make it.
He don't know.
He don't know how to cook. Yeah. Do you like that story?
Yeah.
You want to go on another trip with me?
Yeah.
We will go later, okay?